today we're making these cute little vials. They could be keychains or little pendants, and they're filled with glitter, and they're so fun to make if you went on a vacation, or even if you didn't. This is just a fun little souvenir to make. So we found all the sea glass at the beach in Hawaii. We went to Hawaii, and there were little teeny tiny bits of sea glass. They were too small to do anything significant with, and I thought these vials would be great for my daughters to keep as their little to make as their little keepsakes for our trip to Hawaii. So let's get started on this tutorial. So the beaches in Hawaii, there's this one beach called Sea Glass Beach, and the sea glass you get is super small, so it's not like the big sea glass that you usually see in the craft store. So I thought it'd be perfect if we just took these little vials and filled it with sea glass. So all I'm just gonna do is open one up, and then we just picked out some sea glass, and we're just gonna fill it in there. Look at this pretty green one. They were pretty, but they were super small. Oh, this one doesn't fit. So if it doesn't fit, we'll have to put in other ones. Filled it up, and then what we're just gonna do is I have this little eyedropper tool, or this dropper tool, and I'm just gonna fill it with water. You can fill it with mineral oil if you wanted to. I'm just using water here, and I'll fill it almost all the way up to the top. And it makes the sea glass in there so pretty looking. And I forgot to add my glitter. I was gonna add a little glitter into this water, so let me go get some glitter. I'm just gonna take some of my glitter, and this is some pretty blue glitter, and we're just going to put it and tap it on there, and then we're going to funnel it into our container like that. And let's shake it up and see if we want more glitter. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, it's so glittery with the little glitter bits in there. I think I want a little bit more glitter, so I'm gonna add a little bit more glitter, and I may add some of these micro beads that I have. Maybe like a little bit of this blue one, because that'll be pretty too. Just a couple. Ooh, oh my goodness, a lot came out. And then we're just gonna funnel it in again. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I love how the glitter is so shimmery, and the sea glass in there and the little micro beads. It's so pretty. And then to finish it off, I also have these little charms, and I'm going to grab this little ocean one and then pull it apart and then pop it back in like this. And now we have our little Hawaii token memorabilia. So this was so fun to make. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if you make one of these. Share it on Instagram. I'd love to see it. My handle is the Cheese Thief. Thanks for watching, and bye now.